prawn fry. Before we get into it though, have you seen my t-shirt? It was a gift for my birthday. My parents got it for me and it has a picture of me on it. And look, it says vid'skitchen over here. So let's get into it. Now I'm going to cut the onion and tomato and then I'm going to put it into the blender to make a paste. First let me cut the onion. Now I'm going to blend it. Okay, so tomato and onions. Put it perfect. Now I'm going to cover it tightly. Now I'm going to cook the prawns. First I need to put the oil in. Switch on the induction. Perfect. Then I'll put the tomato and onion sauce. The tomato and onion paste, of course, into it too. Perfect. Just mix it for some time, and then after that I'm going to put half a kg of prawns or 500 ml. While the prawns are cooking, I'm going to add all the masalas. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of salt. Perfect. I'm going to put some half a teaspoon actually of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of chili powder and also 1 teaspoon of sugar. That can mix them all together. And the onion is burning my eyes now. Oh my god. The onions are burning my eyes so much I decided to put my cycling goggles on. You can do salt to taste how much ever salt you want. If you want more salt, you can put more salt. If you want less salt, you don't want so much salt in your prawns, you can put less salt. When the prawn becomes dry, you can switch off your induction like this. After 5 minutes, maybe it will take for cooking everything together and soak it in. It will be very yummy. Now I'm going to plate it. Now I'm going to garnish it with coriander leaves. It's optional, you don't really have to, but it looks very pretty. And also if you taste this recipe, make sure you actually do the recipe because it tastes amazing and very simple to make. Okay, now let me garnish it. Wow, it looks so pretty. Look at it. Oh my god. Perfect. And now let me taste it. Oh god.